I'm not sure exactly how long it took for my credit to go up over 155 points with self, but it wasn't just self that did it. I did other things. I made sure that I kept my utilization low on my credit cards. I made sure I had at least 4 credit cards. I made sure I had at least 2 installment accounts. I had to do a lot of things to make sure that my credit score was high. But one thing I do notice, my credit score shot up and then it slowly started to build. So most likely my credit score probably got like to 100 points, 110 points, and then it slowly got higher and higher and higher. But it wasn't just self, you guys. Self is not the only thing that boosted my credit score, but it was a big factor when boosting my credit score. Now, when you guys want to boost your credit score, don't forget you have to have at least 4 credit cards in your credit reports, 2 installment accounts. Make sure you have your inquiries very, very low. If you have some inquiries on there, it's not supposed to be on there. Make sure you guys remove those inquiries from your credit reports. Make sure you guys have your credit card balance low. All these different things I teach you guys in the 60 points in 60 days. If you guys need help, like, oh, hey, Rickita, I know you said 4 credit cards, but which ones? I know you said inquiries, but how to remove them? I know you said I need to remove negative accounts. That's inaccurate, but how? That's the different things I teach you guys in the 60 points in 60 days. I teach you guys how to do that. And when you guys sign up for the 60 points in 60 days, I also give you guys a free letter to remove inquiries. I also give you guys a free letter to remove a negative accounts from your credit reports also. And then if you guys sign up for my membership, or when you guys sign up for my membership and you sign set up for the group, I actually send out letters for you. I can help you send out those letters to help you remove these different accounts from your credit reports. We meet up to say, okay, hey, your credit scores went up. Apply for these credit cards now. Pre-qualify for these credit cards now. So definitely make sure you guys join my 60 points in 60 days. Let me look at your credit reports if you guys are in my membership. Let me look and say, hey, this is what you need to do. And most likely I'm going to send you a video to let you know, okay, this is where we're at in the process. This is what you need to do. I would love to talk to you all. So if you guys have additional questions after the video, then make sure you guys come to our group meeting. Once you come to that group meeting, I can go ahead and answer any questions that you guys have. But make sure you guys join that 60 points in 60 days. I hope that you guys found this video was helpful. I hope that you guys love all the different answers that I gave. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. And again, I had the link down below. Check out my blog, Rickita.com. That's where we looked at all those different credit cards from. That's where we found all these different credit cards, because I have a review on almost like every credit card that's necessary, right? Especially when you're looking to build your credit. So definitely check those out. And I'll see you guys